Guys, we just got in the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL, and we have a stand. The thing is, the pieces of hardware here, you guys have probably seen it online already, so we're gonna unbox the stand first and then set it up with one of these phones. Maybe both. Let's put those aside. Okay, it's got a nice shrink wrapping on it. And I'm gonna stab it somewhere. Okay. Shrink wrap. Okay. Now, oh, it comes off this way. Let me pop this off. Maybe I'm supposed to open it that way. Okay, so let's see. It was supposed to be shown to us this way. It's gonna be presented when you pop it off like this. Ooh, ah. When it comes to the stand itself, there's not a heck of a lot to look at. It's just an oblong disc. There's another disc. There's no USB on the front here, so it's actually gonna do wireless charging, obviously. There's USB here. So I'm gonna take off this protector. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. We've got a nice little piece of paper. Let's see. Plug it in, charge your phone, and then it says it in French. All right, sounds pretty easy. I don't know what this is. Even more instructions, basic safety. It says do not ingest. I'm just kidding, it doesn't say that. Okay. We've got a USB-C plug, and we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable. So let's set this thing up. It's stuck with a little bit of cardboard. Removing the cardboard. It's a nice design, but if you're impatient and tired, it might be difficult. Okay, it is now free, and we're gonna pop this guy into the USB-C receptacle. It's got a nice little bit of cable management there. They even protect the base. Let's clean that off. Get rid of that, and we're gonna put a note on it to see how it does as a wireless charger. My note has a case on it. We'll see if it actually picks up. And there it is. It actually is charging. It's a standard Qi charger. It's not just for the Pixel. So if you want to have one of these around your house, probably will charge your iPhone 10, your Note 9, whatever else you got sitting around with wireless charging. We'll pop that off. All right, which one of the Pixels to open up? I'm gonna go with the XL. This is the monster with the notch. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's got a little tab. Remove that. It's pretty simple. Another tab. Pop that off. Let's unbox this. All right, move the stand over. We've got a Pixel XL, 3XL in black. It's got a nice little protector. Let's see if it's charged and ready to go. Charger. Move that. And with this shot, you can definitely see how ridiculous that notch is. I'm still very curious to see what's this going to be used for in the future, because otherwise it's just a notification tray, and that's not a lot of information there. You got your two speakers there. You've got your single camera on the rear, the fingerprint sensor. And
touching the screen until you hear a beep to enable accessibility mode.
Oh, it turns out that it talks to you when you start. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna start this. Hi there. We can get to that in a minute. Let's see what else is in the box. Remove the cardboard. Here we got our booklets, and we've got a little SIM tool from Google. It's very nice and handy if you want to switch. Let's get started. A sticker, and a really long book. What else do we got in here? It looks like we got our Pixel earbuds. So we're gonna open this up, and we've got wired USB-C headphones. I believe the other Pixels did not ship with headphones. We have to double check that. Okay, we got those. We've also got a dongle if we want to attach. Really easy to get out. Why can't I get this out? I'm just gonna rip it out. We got a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter dongle for other headphones. We've got a USB-A to USB-C dongle here if you want to use other devices with your phone, and a USB-C to C cable. And we have another USB plug. Very exciting. Let's put this aside. So we can charge this guy. Let's see if that works. Makes a nice little hum sound when you put it on there. I'm gonna clean up my workspace. Let's see. Really not much to the Pixel 3 XL. You've seen it before. There shouldn't be any big difference between the 3 XL and the 3 other than the design of the phone. So let's see if anything is different when you open up a 3. And move this out of the way, and we're gonna open up the 3 to see if it's got anything different or additional compared to the 3 XL. Take up the side pieces. This one's in clearly white. I'm gonna open this guy up. It is in clearly white, look at that. That is white. Another sticker, remove that, power this guy on. Styling's so much like the Pixel 2 XL, I really do enjoy that. It's got this nice look to it. It's really, really sturdy in the hand too. It's really nice, very surprised. I was expecting this to feel cheaper, but it doesn't. So we got the phone, put that aside. It's got a little booklet. Let's get these guys out of here. So let's see what else we get with our 3. Put our 3 there. We get SIM tool, blue book, sticker, a bunch of documentation. Another plug. Here are our Pixel buds. Let's put that right there. Our cable and our section for dongles. There you go. It's like a game of memory. I've got the XL in one hand and I've got the 3 in the other. I'll tell you, they're actually pretty comfortable to hold on to. I really like the smooth back. It's not slippery at all, even though it's made out of glass. And yes, you do have single cameras on the back, but Google says their software is so good, you won't even need it. These have been the Google 3 and the 3 XL by Google, and they're available soon.